sishaya ihlelo Bizarre FM party la ngijabulisa khona ke indlela yakhona ke nawe ke yantishaye ke awa ke yakhe ke njengoba kuthembisile ngesikhathi lesike ukuthi kusuma ngeart namuhla ke siphethe ke one of the famous artists la ekhaya ke eNingizimu Afrika lo umsebenzi ke lomuhle kakhulu bathi ke nguRasta mangithi Rasta bantu bayazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngabani and munye kuphela angangeva ukuthi ukhona lo munye Rasta lo artist ngaphandle kwalo shothi definitely sure lo mcabangako ngoyile lokhona usivakashele esihleni naye ke tindlini tekusakata awuthi amrotmane anguvuzele ngomukele emsakatweni Bizarre FM shonile
salubana linjani
hayi kuyaphileka Rasta khamba njani
ngiyabonga ubalana
ngumenywa wamukelekile ke ekhaya ke Rotmane ngendlela yakhona njengoba kutshela ke emlaleli sikhuluma ke ngeart namuhla sikhuluma ke uyothe ke yaphuma la abeke nami ke sekangithwebile ke ngendlela yakhona ijabulele livume kakhulu ukuthi ke lidweba abantu ikakhulu kade ke abantu labadumile nalaba ke laba sandlulile ke emhlabeni mi ke Rasta I don't believe in coincidences la eMpumalanga silahlekelwe silahlekelwe i-former deputy president Titi Mabuza bekangcwatshwa namuhla and then jikijiki wena so seMpumalanga ngiyafisa cabanga ukuthi mhlambe kude nalokunye but ingcono yami ngitshela ukuthi lokhu kulethe la kufaka Titi so umdwebile nomlomzana
mfethu kumsebenzi wami kahle ukuthi ngikhumbule amaqhawe noma esesichile ukuthi sisale sesibona izithombe zabo even sebashiva kube ngumbala ukubonisa ukuthi sasibathanda kungakanani so njengoba ngilana nje eMpumalanga ebengizile ngempela for umncwabo kababa uTiti Mabuza sasifisa ukuthi nje ngalala ngoxolo uyisebenzile kahle mawulalela nje wonke umuntu kade ekhuluma bemthanda yesho ukuthi ebenceda umphakathi wakhe ebenceda nje ingane zesikolo ezibhadalela lapha ezincedisa kanye labanye abantu nje kade bedinga imisebenzi bavulela amathuba baphakamisa amabhizinesi zabo so iMpumalanga iSouth Africa yonke nje lahlekelwe
kushiwo njalo but cha silahlekelwe impela nami nje ngishilo nje ukuthi cha ngibonile nje abantu ke bakhuluma amagama lamahle kakhulu nawe umuntu bekakhona lapha uyaqhubeka uyakhuluma njalo asibuke emva kancane sibuke umsebenzi wakho kuTrust le idea inhle kakhulu ngifuna kwathi ukuthi wayithatha anganga ngibona lomunye lo le idea yakho ukuthi ke ucelebrate emaqhawe ngale ndlela lo celebrate ngawo kuloku umsebenzi wokubadweba nje ubeke isithombe just umsebenzi mkhulu kakhulu le idea leyo isuka yaphi uqale nini so nesikhathi esinganani ukulomkhakha weart
lento engayiqala engisasemncane sengiqedile la khona isikolo ngilapha eMzansi bengijwayele ukuya kulawo holidays ama-rallies afana labo June 16 Women's Day so bengipainta like the late Charlotte Maxeke abo Hector Peterson so abantu ngezwe ngabantu nje bangitshela ukuthi lento oyenzayo uba umqophamlando ngoya kwesikhathi so kumele uqhubeke uyenza so ngawibona nje igap lami lapho ukuthi let me not just paint nje abantu noma besaphila awuthi ngibheke abantu abasebesichile emhlabeni ukuthi kube something ezosala ibisiba isikhumbuzo emdenini kanye la khona nje eSouth Africa let's say umuntu ngwalana celebrity legend ngithanda ukuthi nje abantu let's say ngipaintile like today I was painting ubaba uTiti nesifiso sokuthi those paintings maybe is collected by government like ezifake labo wall of fame abo maybe kuma parliament somewhere and treasure those paintings maybe sometimes they can sell for imali eningi lathi sikhona ukuthi sincede lathi community zethu large
cha umsebenzi omhle kakhulu ke but nje njengoba uyichaza ke iyavakala indlela khona sembezwe ke emlaleli 8 minutes in the hour seven close umsana ke na Rasta one of the best artists labashaya ke umdwebo ngendlela mangasako sihleli naye ke la etindlini tekusakata nawe ke ngena ke ngabe khona i-question noma i-comments lofisa ukuthi uyidlalise 0818054237 umbude Rasta man ngilobuta ke ne-question abantu abaningi labafisa ke kuyati angathi noma sebakile bakubuta awundo imbuta so ma-paintings akho siyawabona uyapainta but hey labantu manje ngendlela ubaveta ngakhona lapha kulama painting bayahlekisa manje
Yeah.
and siyahleka sometimes sihleka ngisho ukufila so angathi noma uyabacelela labantu noma ngumsebenzi wakho lokuthi noma ukwati kudweba vele kahle kahle ngikuphi lo ngakusho ngaloko le idea ukuthi labantu nabaveta lapha esithombeni bavele somehow to the extent ukuthi abantu ke bajabule baze bahleke nababona le portrait.
That kusho ukuthi ngisuke ngingayenzi ngamasibongo ukuthi ngidwebe kanjalo cause vele ngisuka lami morning process yabo because everyone my ekhala suka yenza noma yini noma umculo sengavimba lapha stage ngoba vele uyakhala. So for me also ama paintings ami asuke athandwe yilabo abantu bomdeni ngoba ama socials vele siyawazi once wa poster something bazoyisho ngaleyo ndlela abathanda ngayo but ithola ukuthi ifamily sithombele so basijabulela and kusike kusibafake futhi ismile ebusweni babo. So imidwebo yami iveza sometimes lokho umuntu angekho khona. Siyabona sometimes ukuthi uma umuntu asashonile kukhulunywa ngaye ngenye indlela engafani la nxa esaphila yathola uthola ukuthi umuntu bakhuluma ngaye kahle uzumangala ukuthi hawu ngempela uyabakhuluma ngaye. So ngicabanga ukuthi athi yami iyaya lapho ekubeni ukuthi ibonise umuntu i-character yakhe ingasasho ukuthi maybe ebemubi umuntu but ekusukeni lami ukuthi ngihambisana labantu ngendlela abantu abakhala ngakhona labantu ababe bekhuluma ngakhona kuma funerals and memorials because ngwayenza lapho abantu bekhuluma ngaye lo muntu. So into engizobe ngitransfer ku canvas into isuke ikhulunywa ngabantu.
Yeah and bengisafuna kubuda kodwa ukuthi lemndeni ireact kanjani ireact kanjani naso upaint le painting nomuntu avela ahlekisa lapha because sine as a public thina siyahleka bodi angekuzivimbe so lo mndeni wona usually bavame ukureact kanjani mhlambe ngikubulonga kusho ngalokho.
Umdeni uloku ngisupporta because they will understand lami ukuthi how urastebelana la ezoshonarisha ngomdwebo wakhe abawuthathi ngendlela abantu abawuthatha ngakhona ukuthi maybe ngisuka ngizodelela basuka bejabulele ukuthi bewuthole ngoba vele at the end of the funeral memorial ngilokupha umdeni wakhona ipainting bewujabulela ukuthi ayisiyabonga lathi kusho ukuthi umuntu wethu uqhakathekile ukuthi uze umdwebe apart from kubantu abazobe bekhuluma kuma socials bazokhuluma noma yini and I don't think ukuthi iyabangena labo bantu engisuke ngisebenzisana lawo and sengingananzelela ukuthi even la khona kuma socials abantu basuke bekhuluma nje ngoba baloku ngibona sengilapho sengidweba vele ngoba ngilokudweba in public yabo ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa into wrong engiyenzayo ngabe sebeke bangibuza ukuthi hayi mfethu uyenza into wrong kodwa bayasho ukuthi ayiqhubeka usebenze uyephambili sewuthanda umsebenzi wakho. Omnye wazowasho impela wathi hey makungekho rasta
akufili
hayi akwehlika. So isuka ukuthi ibe is something abantu abazohleka ya njengoba usho ukuthi kuyahlekwa noma kufika abantu basuke nje bebe that smile sokuthi umkhiphile ya ube nje or hey ufana nobani whatsoever.
0818054237 ngena ngemlaleli ke uphefumule ngiphethe lona ke lijaha rasta lodweba ngendlela yakhona usemsakatweni shonile sawubona. Hayi futhi ngiyaphila kunjani lapho?
Yaphela kunjani futhi?
Okay.
Angitholanga kahle ungangichazela futhi.
Umnakethu la ubuta ukuthi mase ufikile wadweba yaba khona le painting ufuna kwathi ke ukuthi ke what's next mhlambe uyawathengisa yini lama paintings noma uyadweba nje ukuthi ke abantu babone kahle kahle interest yakho ukudweba ke ama paintings kahle kahle ilindela kuphi kwendakalani after
ngumsebenzi vele engiphila ngawo lo ukuthi ipainting makushoniwe ngilokwenza sometimes 2 or 3 paintings A1 ngiphe ifamily then the 2 ngizigcine lapha e-studio sami for ama exhibitions engizobe sengiwayenza sengithengisa leyo painting sometimes amanye ngisuke ngizama uku-attract maybe those production houses let's say umuntu be-actor or becula ukuthi maybe sithengwe yilabo bantu so even lapho mangipainta ngiyathola abantu abashoyo ukuthi hey lama I need a painting asethatha ama numbers ami from there so that's the way ngizimarketa ngakhona mangisoka ngidweba nje lapho abantu beshonile the one I will give to the family so that nabo bakhululeke ngami mase ngithengisa amanye or mase ngiselela amanye ama paintings abo.
It's a good business strategic. Ngizambe ukuthi ke uvile ke mnakethu lasho khona ukuthi qha egcine yonke ke ibusiness ushilo ke on the other side uzama ku celebrate amaqhawe la soze kandlulile at the same time azame naye ukuthi ke atphilise which is good when the very same thing for two purposes. I have to give it to you. Into engikhaza kakhulu ke bhuti mina ukuthi mase uqedile ukudweba bese soshutha kuthomba. Into losuku ukwate yona lapha ethombeni. Awusmile awuhleke. So I don't know ukuthi anganga bona sithombe zakho uhleke like ukwatile like khona yini like usukukwatele kwatiswa yini
ngihleka ngoba kulomnyuvo wethu namhlanje uthi how rasta wawushuta ukwatile kanjani ngithi no angithi kushoniwe phela wena kusho ukuthi uzohlala ukwatile ngoba uhlala upaint abantu abashonile ngizama ukuthi maybe ubuso sometimes i-facial expression iyo ezobonisa ukuthi maybe usuka usenza izinto ngokusa because I can't be smiling ngapha ngiphethe i-painting yomuntu oshonile maybe with the family or with the friends ama friends vela abuya esmile ahleka yenze yonke lento but for me ngibona engani ngisuka sengidelela ke ukuthi maybe mase ngihleka labantu abasebebona umdebo wami bazocabanga ukuthi ayikusho ukuthi ngiyadelela vele so kumele ngibe serious face ibe mbophi face yabona
ngiyibopha manje ngibona itsembe ukuthi vele alright 17 minutes in the hour 7 o'clock Mzansi Mbiza FM the pumping beat of ekhasi sikhulumisana ke na Rasta the artist lasibuka khona ke umsebenzi wakhe njengoba artist of the day ke namuhla simemena ukuthi sizokhuluma naye uzivakashele ke kulesifundza ke eSempumalanga sibambe ingoma edlalweni ladies ama masibuya lapho singena deep ukuthi ke yini art bese ke siba ke ama advice akhe kubantu labafuna ke kwenda lo msebenzi la wendawo ungayenzayo after party Bizarre FM party ke ngendlela khona manje sokazulu ke lokuye ke DJ ke wasesukwini ke namhla ngiyakujayivisa ke emlaleli ufuna ungrate uyathi ke abantu bafuna ke i-rating ukuthi ke noma ngabe yini nawe yena mase uqedza bese ke kuvela le section lapha phansi bathi rate me so ungrate out of 10 ukuthi lo DJ lo ungambhuka yini ke kuma events akho otherwise it's not about me it's about the artist na artist sikhulumisana ke na Rasta ke emlaleli ngendlela yakhona njengoba ushilo before the outbreak bese rosiva ke ngaye ke asitshela njengoba sivakashele ke lesifundza ke seMpumalanga ukhona usetindlini tekusakata ngendlela yakhona Mr Rasta injani eMpumalanga how do you find eMpumalanga sizofikile
eMpumalanga the president said indawo epholile kahle indawo epholile enokuthula ngithanda abantu bakhona ngithanda ilanguage ilanguage yateketisa umuntu nje ngibone unokuthula kule ndawo akufani lamanye ama province lapha ikhulu ukuthula impela
hayi sithulile vele sinje hayi ukuthi sibona
lo musa nje wabantu bonke nje ngihlangana labo hayi bavulekile enhlizweni.
Siyajabula ukuthi ke uphatheke kahle ke uphinze kubuye usivakashela. Asikukhangise ke Mr. Rasta sisibuka ke umsebenzi wakho. Le question le ngiyibuta ngoba ke khona ngumlaleli ubutile la ubute ukuthi if ufuna kudweba buso kuphela mhlambe Rasta angakucharge malini angabe nje mina ngifuna ukuthi ke angidwebe buso kuphela Rasta angangicharge malini. Siselapho ngicela nje usitshele ke iprice range yakho ukuthi wena ucharge kanjani kubantu ke labafisa ukuthi ke babe nema painting lashaywe nguwe.
Ama prizes mina kahle ana price list. Ngike ngezwe abantu besho bethi wena uyadula cause upaint ama celebrities ngathi ndawo anyone uyayithola iprize yakhe yabo. From umuntu nje security guy can get iprize yakhe la azenzele ipainting yakhe for i-birthday or yenzele umntana wakhe yabo. Ngiya ngokuthi umuntu ngiyambona ukuthi unesifiso sokuthi into ayenze ipainting. So my price izohambisana naye nesikhwama sakhe. Angithi siyanegotiate.
Yeah.
So mangingafaka ama price ngithi mhlawumbe ngiyalinganisa ngithi 5,000 kuzoba nzima for omunye umuntu ole 2.5 ufuna ngimenzele yard. So ayahlukana futhi la lawo ma art ukuthi le ngemalini inewe ukuthi ma ingase 5,000 yabe ingafanele 2.5 yabo 2.5 iyabe ingekho ingelama layers amaningi mangasho. Let's say I'm doing a painting izobe nje one layer light, not that deep painting with details. So ama prices they do range in a way ukuthi even I check my client ukuthi i-client leli mobile kanjani ma uyi-millionaire well sengathi 500,000 yeah. So hayi kakhululeke umlaleli noma yini noma yini sesingayihlanganisa ipainting as long nje onesifiso sokuthi uyidwebise. I think sesingahlangana ku-price.
Asembe ukuthi ke uphendulekile ke mlaleli umsakazo we FM ukukhuluma nje nangabe ilimi lakho liyashalela wakwathi ukukhuluma kahle njengamgoqo ubhadare ngisho na 5 rand. Driver Rasta sekubuye
leso sikhathi ukudwebile ihlweni lo.
Sekubuye ukuthi negotiate kanjani njengoba ke aqhaza ngendlela yakhona. Okay futhi ke asibuke ke ema challenges la khona kule industry. Siyathi ke ukuthi ke in the journey kuba khona ama challenges lapha nalapha. So ngaphandle kokulahleka kwepencil lokungaba ngiyo ke challenge engicabanga ngo mina kulomsebenzi lo wendako mhlambe what are some of the challenges wena as an artist lo wafaceako and throughout your career mhlambe lama challenges lawo undlule njani kiyo usachubeka?
I think ukuthi ama challenges vele abakhona kuyo yonke into osuke uyenza. Kuya ngokuthi uba consistent kangakanani. For me bengingayeka le art if mengekade ngekho strong in this way yabo, because ama challenges they are always there, especially nge-art engiyenzayo I paint in front of abantu. So kulabantu nje sometimes abanye babe bekhuluma background yabo. Just imagine when you concentrate your painter bla abantu abakhulumayo umute hayi asimsuseni umute. You understand? So kuba nzima lokho. Kuphinda amanye ama challenges engiwatholayo ukuthi since ngitraveler I do travel a lot. Ngizama ukuyafikelela kulawo ma clients ami. Ubusuthola ukuthi sometimes izinto ziyenzakala since ngipainta kushoniwe asiyonto eplanwayo. Uzozo sokulento yenzakaleyo kuphi sokuzomela ukuthi maybe ngigibele. So all those things ziyangistress in a way ukuthi transport, accommodation, those kind of things yabo. Zisuke zingivale ngoba ngisuke kungela umuntu ongibhekela kulezo zinto, kungela umuntu ongisponsorishayo kulezo zinto ukuthi okay come to Malanga and paint. Even ngisuka ngithatha imali kade nginayo le ngigcinela abantwana and usisempumala ngizozama again. Ama challenges awapheli in that way.
Cha iyavakala webeka yacaca ke mina ke ama challenges wona vele akhona lokubalekile ukuthi ke sichubeke even though sizame ukuthi sichubekele phambili because we believe in the goal yabo. So I know what you have done a lot of painting but I want to know from you your top 5 like now uthi uyaqabanga ke wonke umsebenzi lo wendile ever since you started. I mean your top 5 memorable painting mhlambe lo ngawasho ukuthi wena your top 5 ukuthi yabona la no last phantom ngashaya noma ulele ebusuku uyeva ukuthi hayi ngashaya. So what are your top 5 most memorable painting as Rasta the artist?
Yo wamfaka kukhona mawuthi top 5 abantu bazosho ukuthi oh lawa na
yangifika
Ngothi umfokela.
so vele ngizobe ngizoqepha naphezulu kulawa sengwayenzi. What I've realized abantu even mabe commenta kuma artworks ami bayasho ukuthi hey lena ayile uyishayile.
Yeah.
Ayile uyishayile ukwedlula leya the previous one. Le uyishayile. Yeah but sengasho my top 5 ngabantu abasaphila empanye bashayile besaphila like Chris Brown. I painted Nelson Mandela, the late Brenda Fassie,
Yeah.
Hip Hop Pansula, abo Pro Kid, yeah, abo Ricky. Hey, wonke ama paintings amfethu. I top ngendlela yawo. Yeah,
Not the top 5.
the top 5.
I know what I want. Ngifuna your top 5. Wena nje ngibalele usho ukuthi number 5 Ricky, number 4 kanjalo sizesifike
Okay,
number 1.
5 Ricky, 4 HHP, 3 Pro Kid,
Yeah.
2 I painted the late Brenda Fassie, 1 Mandela.
Kahle.
Yeah. Because you abe ne hype kakhulu. I think futhi angiqalele this career because from painter abo Rebecca abo Brenda Fassie bekungela ma social media.
Yes.
It was just ama newspapers. So bengivela almost the 4 newspapers in the front page. So yeah, ngangitrend lapho ngamangala ukuthi wow. Into enhle kangaka. So I continued ngawo lawo ma painting. So ngibala from the start of my career up to this now. Yeah. Nelson Mandela ngampainta like 2013, 10 years after paint to Brenda Fassie. People like bathi wow, this is nice bese kula ma social media lapho Facebook sengiqala nje utrend Rasta trending then up to Ricky now. Yeah, people they are following. I understand ukuthi okay Rasta uyahamba manje uyakhuphuka
Noma ngathi wathi siyade vele ukuthi sihlale silinzile.
Yes.
Cha no akuyavakala kakhulu. One of my favorite main painting yakho lengithandako is where you painted the late Umama Mary, Mama kaSomizi.
Oh.
That painting for me, no, that painting was good. Leyo ayikhaleo manje leyo ayishaya yinhle ngendlela mangaso. Nalo abalako mahle but yabona le Mama Mary ikhaleyo yabaja. Ukhuluma nge-social media, let's talk about that. As an artist mhlambe usebenza kanjani social media promote umsebenzi wakho ufile ukuthi le social media we struggling to get your work out there. But on social media and we usebenzisa social media account. So how do you use social media?
Ngokungasonhloso yami ukuthi I will use social media to promote my works. But yangena yabakhona everyone over excited ngayo lami ngaba featured in there. Well, i-social media isingakunceda ingakuncedi singakulimaza ngendlela ebuhlungu.
True.
Check my stuff because if ngingaphikeleli ngisenza into yami ngabe sengayeka kudala because of those comments bazokubulisha lapha nabantu yeah until uzucabanga ukuthi ayi awuthi ngiyeke lo into yabo. So singakufaka futhi in a way ukuthi iyakukuphulela abantu ba check ama likes and stuff and ikuncedise kuloko ukuthi okwamanje you realize ukuthi it's not art kuphela ngizobe ngiyenza because of those numbers ezikuma social media uthola sengifeatureisha kwamanye ama TV films like maybe adverts, ama musical videos. Yeah, still social media lapho. So ngicabanga ukuthi social media is the best anyone can rely ngayo, but i-hazard yes.
Ine-bad side nayo. Ine-bad side nayo. Kuhle ngoba uyakuveta ke.
Yalimazana. So kumele ukuthi vele lawe uzitshele ukuthi hey this is another world. ungayithatha uyifake enhlizweni like ukuthi when you read a comment there uvele ube down ngoba omunye umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi hayi yekela ukucula bhuti yekela iradio bhuti usathi hey namhla ngishayile iradio bethi hayi yeka bra siyithanda cabanga so uvele ukuthi uyibalansise lothi yeka hleka wena uqine mo just laugh at it and then it gets stronger and stronger.
Ngiyithatha le advice le angisho ukuthi bani bangitshele ukuthi ngiyekele radio but ngiyithatha le advice leyo ngiyisebenzisa nami ngendlela yakhona asibuke ke ama future plans in conclusion Rastaman mhlambe ke I vision yakho usaqhubeka mhlambe ngikuphi lokuplanile ufuna ukuachieve maybe in the next 5 to 10 years as an artist mhlambe athini ma plans akho.
I've got plans, my brother, even manje ngile group of artists that I do ama collaborations nabo.
Okay.
Since I'm a walls, like I paint walls in public spaces like ama parks, bus stops and other places as public, So that group of artists, they are young from my community. Abanesifiso nabo ukuthi one day bazibone mephivethenga bafisa basho kanjani ukuthi sifuna ubajenga weRasta. Yeah, so my plans also is to ukuthi lami ngibone I-community yami isibale lo msebenzi wezandla abawenzayo especially I-youth yethu. If you can check, everyone wants to be a DJ, everyone wants to be a musician. Bayikhohlwa to career as an artist. They would think it's a hobby. Now uyenza art mawubhorakele sketching and stuff kanti it's a career ukuthi abantu kumele beyinake. So I'm trying ukuthi ngibafundise labo bantwana ukuthi nabo bengabhekelele ukuthi I can be a musician only but bebe ngama artist just like me ngoba umsebenzi wezandla ngobalulekile. Once wafunda umsebenzi wezandla awungebulambi bakwazi ukuzenzela vele akufani lapha emabhukwini esikolweni ufana nabanye abantwana abaright emabhukwini but mawumzali la usendlini ubona umntana wakho ethanda ukudweba mina ngikhule vele lo mama engavumi ukuthi ngidwebe hey bala amabhuku yekela lama cockroach wayenza yabo but kwakuyinto ekimi ngaphakathi. So yeah, abantu abaqhubeke like ngomsebenzi vele abayenzayo bottom line besides the art. Let's stick to our things esizenzayo ube consistent ulwe nayo leyo nto no matter what until you push to success.
Lona nje buvile lona nje buvile uyibeke ke sekude lokushoda so uyibeke yaba khona yonke. That's the best advice you can ever give people. Ngiyithanza le part ukuthi once you get your hands into work angeke ulambe. So nangabe une talent uyakwadi just use that talent and especially kude imsebenzi eNingizimu Afrika. So nangabe una indlela yokuphilisa do that.
Yes.
Do that fruit man. Kubantu abafuna ukusebenzisana nawe ke mhlambe utholakala kanjani Rasta the artist?
Ngiyatholakala lapho ngile studio kahle lapho ngase Johannesburg. Angazi ngafaka upha ama details but yeah uyangithola lapho kuma socials Rasta the artist. So go X, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Then you can get my number for your WhatsApp lapho. Awufuna ukungithinta
uyonke indzawo kodwa social media uqwele
ngigcwele yonke indawo. Flexible anyway in the country ngiyafika because abantu balokuthi awuhlala eJoburg mina ngifuna ungenzela ipainting ngihlala la ngizoyiletha ngizoyideliver lana so shoot picture nayo.
Hayi uvile ke mlaleli kuphi na kuphi siyafika siyangena kubo Durban siyangena kubo Cape Town thina sikhona. Rastaman, thank you so much my brother for visiting us. Bekuhle kakhulu ukukhulumisana nathi. Siyawuthanda kakhulu umsebenzi wakho. Siyafisa ukubona ke uqhubeka usiblessa ngemsebenzi wakho lomuhle. Kanti ke ama advice akho lotshele abantu nangabe kunemulolalele lofisa ukujweba naye uvile kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu futhi siyathemba ukuthi udawuphinza uzivakashele usidwebe nathi sibe bahle sibe famous
next time. Umele uyenze into enhle so that ngudwebe yabo angiphonga udweba noma ngubani kahle kumele uqale uphume uye lapha then sesikufaka ipicture.
next week iMandela Day ubona 67 minutes wami ngendani ngisita kuphi lokhona ukuthi into lenhle leyo asabesibuka kakhulu akuthi
Yabona nami. Thank you so much.
Alright, so vile ke from the horse's mouth Rasta the artist, our artist of the day besikhulumisana naye ke emlaleli sibuka kabanike umsebenzi wakhe lomuhle ke ngendlela khona njengoba ke vakashele ke sifunza ke sempumalanga njengoba shilo ke ukuthi ke bekavakasheke lapha kaMshengo ayowenda ke lathume ngato ke ipainting ikhona yakhe ke Mshengo nithi ayibona ke engasikudzala besathotsana naye ukhona ke etindlini tekusakata sibonga kakhulu ke kuye ukuthi ke asivakashele ke sesivele ukukhulu kakhulu safunza ukukhulu kakhulu ke ikakhulu ke kule department ye art ngendlela khona sibonga kakhulu ngendlela khona sikhathi ke 21 minutes lasele before shayina ngensimbi yakhe 8 o'clock usalela umsakazo ePSR FM the pumping beats of Ekasi kuNandiswa kwaZulu DJ of the night esikhulumana ke ePSR FM phakathi siyanjayivisa ke ungumcibelo ke lomuhle 0818054237 inombolo ke longansinza ke emlaleli ngendlela yakho DJ Ganyane athi talk to me asikhulume